Well, here we are. We've got stolen some fuel from the Baroness. We've got everything put together. Still some bits and bats to do. But we're ready to go. Lights are on. Oh. Well, that was easy. That's it. I've been really careful putting everything back together and cleaning stuff and made sure the carb balls were clean and stuff, but I think it's been fairly well sorted before it was put away. The new battery has sorted a lot of stuff out, which is good, which is nice seeing here. So I just need to paint this, paint the seat pan, finish painting the tank, which is just done today. That's 1 day's rust. Unbelievable. But I've got all the paint off. There's a little mark here and a little dent here that I need to fill, and then we're good to paint. Happy days.